Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Karen and today I'm here to talk to you about Pearlescent card. Our Pearlescent card here at Tonic Studios is 250 GSM, and that means it's 250 grams per square metre. That's how we measure how heavy, how thick a piece of card is going to be. So the higher the grams, the thicker the card is going to be. It's double-sided, which means that it's good for your card blanks. So the inside of your card is going to look the same as the outside. Card folds, where you're having a fold back on the front of your card, so you've got the same colour there. You haven't got to worry about it. I love a double-sided card. It's always going to be good for that. And it's great for when you're making boxes. So you've got the inside of your box looking just as good as the outside. And it really does give a great finish. It's strong enough to hold its shape really well, so it gives you the option of making these fantastic 3D projects. So as you can see here, we've used it for construction underneath here. We've got the outside of this box being used. We've used it for layers. We've used construction on this one, this little one. So, you know, you've got so much scope with the pearlescent finish there. This one we've got layers cut with it. You can see the layers on the front here and you've got that beautiful luxurious look to it there. I think that looks really nice on that one. We've got cards done with it. We've got some beautiful, all these layers in the front. It die cuts like a dream. You can see here this pattern it's just perfect on it. Absolutely. And you've got the outer edge there. So it's nice and sturdy. You know, it gives you a nice sturdy card. We've got, on this one, believe it or not, we've rolled some flowers with it. So although it's as strong as that is, you know, it'll take a card blank, it'll also be manipulated enough to create these. So these are die cut rolled roses. So that's a really good point with it there as well. It's very good for when you've got deboss on a die. So you may not want to ink on a flat card. If you cut it on some pearlescent card, just look at the detail you get there. That's just been run through. There's nothing extra. I've just run it through my die cutting machine just to show you here. And you can see how much it's showing. There's nothing extra needed to be done with it. You haven't got to run it through with an embossing mat or anything like that. It's just the one pass through the machine. And it gives you all this detail. And very, very easy to read. So you don't need to ink it. You don't need to do anything with it afterwards, it's a nice point, you know, when you're in a bit of a rush and you just want to die cut that sentiment, get it through. You've got the pearlescent finish, the nice sheen on it there. It has actually got more of a sheen than a shine. So basically, to wrap it up, it's a great all-round card. You've got the ability to die cut it, to use it for your card blanks. You can heat emboss on it. You can just die cut emboss on it. You can just do so much with it. It's a great all-rounder for all of your paper crafting needs. Hopefully I've given you enough ideas with Pearlescent card. If not, let me know and we'll always go through it again for you. Thanks for joining me today. Happy crafting.